So today I'm going to make you a habit tracker in Notion. So today I'm going to show you how you can use habit trackers for free in Notion. Let's get started by pressing this button right here. It will take us to our workspace, as you can see. And after we land here, you want to create, for example, your first goal. So you go over here to new, and then you create your own goal. For example, drinking water. For example, you want to drink water. I don't know. Then owner is obviously you. Priority is I don't know what the priority pick, to be fair with you, and date. I mean, I probably should have picked something better, but this is just a an example, and that's it pretty much. There we go, and we have now drinking water is in progress, and you take a sip, and then you go here and click done. So that's how it is, and you refer test. You have all of these other properties. Now, due date, you can select. You have the priority here to say it's low. I mean, it's quite medium. You actually need water to survive. And the owner is yourself. I know I just revealed my real name, but everyone knows who I am, so it doesn't really matter, does it? So this is how you can do goal tracking in, or habit tracking, if you want to call it that way, in Notion.